Are you curious about the universe? Take a deep dive into 15 mind-boggling facts about space. 1. Solar eclipses are possible because the Sun is exactly 400 times larger than the Moon and the Moon is 400 times closer to Earth. That's right, one of nature's most stunning phenomena can be attributed to straightforward geometry. During a total eclipse, the Moon appears to perfectly obscure the Sun due to these proportions' perfect match. However, in approximately 50 million years, the Moon's changing orbit will cause it to no longer completely block out the Sun. 2. Over 99.8% of the mass of the solar system comes from the Sun. The Sun is ridiculously big. The remaining mass of the solar system is distributed among the 8 planets and their small moons, asteroids, comets, and other dust and gas that surround the Sun. 3. Additionally, Earth would be the same size as a nickel if the Sun were the size of a typical front door. Hello, everyone. We inhabit a tiny planet. In fact, it's so small that the Sun could hold more than 1 million Earths. 4. Similar to Saturn, there is an asteroid with rings. We all agree that Chariklo is a small object with 2 icy rings around it. It is only 154 miles across and orbits between Saturn and Uranus. 5. There is a diamond-rich world that is twice as big as Earth. The super-Earth, also known as 55 Cancri, is probably covered in graphite and diamond, making our watery, dirt planet appear to be a complete failure. 6. Diamonds also fall on Saturn and Jupiter. According to the BBC, lightning storms turn methane into soot, carbon, which as it falls hardens into chunks of graphite and then diamond and result in diamond hailstone formation. The largest diamonds have a diameter of about 1 centimeter. 7. There is a planet where glass rains in the opposite direction. The blue planet that was observed by the Hubble Space Telescope in 2013 had a similar appearance to Earth, with the exception of its temperature of approximately 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit and its glass raining in a sideways direction at approximately 4,300 miles per hour. 8. Space is nearly silent everywhere. You can't be heard screaming in space, as nobody can really hear anything. Space is a vacuum and pretty darn quiet, though there are some vibrations and sound waves that humans cannot hear. 9. Astonishingly, the largest asteroid in the solar system has a diameter of 329 miles. Vesta is its name, and 329 miles is quite a distance, about 25 times the length of Manhattan. 10. Robots are the only people living on Mars. The red planet only has 6 spacecraft at the moment, indicating that Martians are merely robots. Right? 11. However, there are significantly more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Because the universe is everything, it extends far beyond the Milky Way galaxy. Because we don't know how big the universe is, it can be hard to figure out how many stars there are. However, scientists think there are more than a sextillion stars, or a septillion. That's a lot, especially when compared to the 700 quadrillion grains of sand on Earth. 12. On Venus, a day is longer than a year. A full rotation of Venus on its axis takes 243 Earth years, while an orbit of the Sun takes 225 Earth days. Just thinking about it makes my head hurt. 13. The footprints left by the Apollo astronauts on the Moon could last for up to 100 million years. Every 1 million years, the Moon's rocks erode at a rate of 0.04 inches. This indicates that the footprints left by the astronauts during the 1969 Apollo mission could have been there for 10 to 100 million years. 14. On Mars, sunsets are blue. In 2015, the first color image of a sunset taken by the Curiosity Mars rover showed a surprising twist. Sunsets on Mars are blue. Dust in the Martian atmosphere has fine particles that permit blue light to penetrate the atmosphere more efficiently than longer wavelength colors, NASA stated. 15. Space junk is everywhere in space. Space is full of junk, including defunct satellites and used rocket parts. These objects continue to orbit Earth at approximately 17,500 miles per hour, which is 10 times faster than the speed of sound. The Space Surveillance Network, SSN, keeps track of who is responsible for the debris and how much of it is there. Currently, approximately 23,000 objects larger than a softball are being tracked by the SSN. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you liked it so we can keep making more of them. Click the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Additionally, don't forget to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.